If you've accidentally deleted messages on Etsy, you may be wondering how to recover them. Follow these steps to see if you can retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check your email. Look through your email inbox for any notifications from Etsy. If you received messages via email, you might find the content there. Search for keywords related to the conversation or the sender's name. Step 2. Visit Etsy's Message Center. Log into your Etsy account and navigate to the Message Center. Sometimes, messages may not appear immediately, so refresh the page or check different folders if available. Step 3. Contact Etsy support. If you cannot find your messages, reach out to Etsy support. Provide them with details about the messages you are trying to recover, and they may assist you in retrieving them. Step 4. Check your archived messages. In the Message Center, look for an archive section. If you accidentally archive the messages instead of deleting them, you can restore them from there. Step 5. Back up your messages in the future. To prevent future loss, consider regularly backing up important conversations. You can copy and paste messages into a document or take screenshots for your records. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages or at least prevent future losses. Always remember to keep important communications backed up for easy access.